Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 6th, 2025, and we're diving into IDT Corporation's third quarter earnings report for fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. IDT Corporation, a global provider of fintech and communications solutions, has just released their Q3 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. IDT Corporation reported a revenue of $302 million for Q3 2025, which is a modest 1% increase from the previous year. However, the gross profit saw a significant rise. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. The gross profit increased by 15% to $112 million, with a record gross margin of 37.1%. This indicates that IDT is effectively managing its cost structure and optimizing its operations. The income from operations also surged by 133% to $26.6 million, showcasing strong operational efficiency.
Segment performance highlights. John, let's delve into the performance of IDT's key business segments. How did they fare this quarter?
The National Retail Solutions (NRS) segment saw a 23% increase in recurring revenue, reaching $29.4 million. Boss Money, part of the fintech segment, reported a 25% increase in revenue to $34.4 million. Netphone subscription revenue grew by 7% to $21.5 million, and the traditional communications segment's income from operations rose by 39% to $17.3 million. Each segment is contributing positively to the overall growth of the company.
Earnings per share and analyst expectations. Turning to earnings per share, IDT reported a GAAP EPS of 86 and a non-GAAP EPS of 90 cents, both showing substantial growth. How does this compare to analyst expectations?
Interestingly, there was no specific EPS forecast from analysts this quarter. However, the reported EPS represents a remarkable 290% increase from the previous year, highlighting IDT's strong financial performance and effective cost management strategies.
CEO's remarks and strategic initiatives. What insights did CEO Shmuel Jonas provide regarding the company's future direction?
CEO Shmuel Jonas emphasized the company's focus on developing new offerings, particularly leveraging the NRS platform to integrate with online ordering and delivery services. This strategic move aims to enhance the competitiveness of independent retailers. Additionally, Boss Money is working on initiatives to drive sustained long-term growth, focusing on reducing cross-border friction and increasing profitability.
Cash flow and financial position. Let's discuss IDT's cash flow and financial position. What are the key highlights here?
IDT generated $75.7 million in cash flow from operations, a significant increase from the previous year. The company holds $223.8 million in cash and equivalents, and importantly, it has no outstanding debt. Capital expenditures rose to $5.4 million, reflecting ongoing investments in growth initiatives.
Key takeaways. In summary, IDT Corporation has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025 with impressive growth across its segments and a robust financial position. John, any final thoughts on IDT as an investment prospect?
IDT's strategic initiatives and strong financial metrics make it an attractive investment, particularly for those interested in fintech and communications sectors. The company's focus on innovation and operational efficiency bodes well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on IDT's performance in the comments below.